Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I made this Tasteful Touches Twisted Square card and thought I'd like to have a square envelope to go with it. I just like the envelope to match the shape. So, I've got a piece of the Pressed Petals designer paper. It's a nice lightweight if you're going to be making envelopes because it won't add a whole lot of weight to your card. So you're going to stick this on your trimmer, point to point at 2 for the first score, and then you're going to turn the point and move over to 2 1/4. Sorry, just trying to line this up here. And then turn again to 2 1/4. And then the final one at 2 1/8. So let's see if we can eyeball this just a little bit. This seemed to be the measurement that worked pretty close to perfect for making the right size envelope. Okay, so let's set this aside and put this together. So first, let's take scissors rather than bone folder and cut these little triangles out of the side where the score lines overlap. And then the last one. Okay, oops. Okay, now we'll use our bone folder and give this a burnish across each one of these. Now, because the measurements were just a little different on these, I like to take a moment and see which flap will be the top. So, let's add a little bit of adhesive on here. You want to make sure that where you're adding it is going to touch cardstock underneath, designer paper underneath. We're going to add a little bit here. Okay, give that a hold a moment. And then this will slip right down inside, and it's ready for a label and mailing. So to adhere this, you can add the multi-purpose glue and then stick it down permanently. Or you can add multi-purpose glue and let it completely dry while this is open, and then stick it down, and it will have a temporary hold. And there's your square envelope. Have a great day. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. You can click below and purchase all of your current Stampin' Up! Products in my store. Bye. Thanks for stopping by. And there's our square envelope. You can click below to purchase in the description to purchase all of your current Stampin' Up! Products. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell, and it will notify you the next time I have a new video. Give me a like if you enjoyed learning how to make a square envelope, and then have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.